As you have seen in the last video, we have done house prediction using XGBoost. So now today we are just trying to deploy it. Let's say to visualize it, in using the Streamlit. And after that, you can also deploy it as an app that could be used by anyone from here. So this we will see the deploying we will see in the next time. But as you can see here, this is a live interactive window. For instance, the number of forms is 3, as you can see here is 3. And if I change it now, the price will be changed now directly. So let me just move it here, and you can see this is the price is changing, and here number of rooms, and this reflecting the values in this slide window here, sliding bar. And if I change the distance to the city with this one, and you can see the price will be decreased because it's far away from the distance from the city, and also the value will be here. And this is also a distribution of house price. This is the most important features using the XGBoost, and this is only a sample ahead of our dataset that used. And this dataset is mil Pauna. It's a city maybe in USA. But before that, before going to do this, so last time we have seen this Jupyter notebook here. Let me clear the output, and we have seen how to do this from scratch. And today I'm just we will try to build this website, or let's see app using Streamlit. And by the way, the accuracy was improved by 71, which is, I will say it's not a good, but it's fine. And yeah, and this one, this with this command here, we have saved the model, and this model will be loaded to the website. Let's see to the GUI. And let me just go to the app. I already create this, so I will just run from this, and from that I will just show you what is the meaning. So in the beginning we need to importing the Streamlit, and Panda to reading the this is Streamlit is to building this website, or let's see app. And this is a Panda to reading the data, NumPy to add some operations to matrix arrays, and here's to the XGBoost and Matplotlib and etc. So now, as you can see here, set, this is the first page. So Streamlit, this is a variable. Streamlit set page config. A title is house price predictor, and the layout. I mean, the icon is house, and this was in this here. As you can see here, house price predictor, and this is the house. It's written here. So the next one is we need to read the CSS file, and for the CS file, it's really simple CS cascade style sheet. So it's the background is this one here, and the header one, the header two, the header three. It's this the family font will be this one, and the sidebar has to be 100%. It means it should be showable even if you maybe resize the image. Okay, no, at a certain point it will be removed. Oh no, no, but it's just, so you can see here it's 100% even if decreasing the B size. Okay, and let's go to the next file, next lines. I just want to show you what is the inside this. Now this is the title of the page of the app, this one here, and you can see the markdown adjusting the values. This is the markdown, the sidebar, this one here, and you can see this one here, and the input, the yeah, this we have already did, right? Yeah, build the XGBoost, which is this small text, and for the sidebar here we have input features, and we have this title here. And after this, we will we will add the slides. So so why we need in the next line here we have cache data, and it will read the CSV file, and using the cache data, if now you refresh your page, it will just show you directly the result because the data is already cached. But without this, it will try to read it every time you refresh your page. So this cache data, it's saving a lot of time. And this is loading the data. Let me just see if I following correctly. Yeah. And here I would also need to load the file that was already created by this Jupyter notebook. It's a pickle file, and for this I also need a cache resource. So the cache resource, it's like a cache data, just caching the model, and if it will only loaded one, I mean read one, and it loaded the file, and it will be cached for every time you need to refresh the model, the website. Now here you need to add the function because this is a function, and this is, by the way, it's a decorator by Streamlit. Now for the sidebar, we have Streamlit to sidebar dot inside to sider for the rooms, and we have the minimum and the maximum value, and the default value is 3. As you can see here, for instance, this is the rooms. This is the minimum value is 1, and the maximum value is 10. So where did we get this? We got these values from the minimum and maximum values from the data set, and also for the postcode we have the minimum and maximum value. And it's every time you will see it's, you can move just this, and for some stuff you need also to increase, for instance, this property, the size. And here this is slider, it means sliding, moving, and this is a selected box. This is a selected box. As you can see, I have to select one of these, and for the postcode, it's a number, and it's, you can see it's you can change it by 1 to only by 1, it's adding by 1. And the distance is slider as the rooms. And for the property count in this region, it's also a number input. And you can see here now we need a type. The type, it's not what's that, it's not values, it's a it's a categorical value. So we need to make it categorical, we need to make it as an integer values, let's see. So in this file here, in the notebook, we have done it while using the label encoder. Now we have add this dictionary here. So for instance, house, it's 0, unit is 1, and townhouse is 2. And we added as this is the input matrix here. This is the input array. Let's see, rooms, type, postcode, distance, and this will be added to the model. This is the input to the model, and you can see here this is our model after loading the model from the beginning. Now the formatted prediction, it will be dollars, and this is the prediction value. As you can see, the prediction value is this one here, starting with dollar sign and the value of the prediction. Now here we have two columns. For this page here, I have two columns. One for the user, the input for the features that I have it in the sliding bar, and the second one is for the house price. It's just to make it, let's say, more organized. You can also do it one after another, but this is just to show you, if you have your data, you will have the predicted price alongside, side by side. And for that, you need to have to create the two columns. Of course, you can create many columns here if you want to show some, let's say, graphs or anything. So here the first column will be the the features, that our features here, and the data, it will create it by as a data frame, and they will have this the column's name, and this is the values. And this will show up the data frame as a table. And the second column is the predicted price, which is easy. It's just text, then markdown and information. So you can see this is the column name, and this is the price, and this is the formatted price, or let's see the formatted prediction, and also this text. So now I would like also, let's see, to show what is this, the distribution of the house prices. So sometimes you need to take a to have a, let's say, overview what is the distribution of the house price. So I've just showed here, but to make it, let's say, fancy, or let's say more organized, I have added two columns. So in the beginning I have done it with just one after another, but I see it's not, let's say, good organized. So it's the same as the two columns. You will have the house distribution, and the second column for the feature importance. And this feature importance, it's a function from the XGBoost. You can see here it's a function from the XGBoost, but you need also just to add the figure to the Streamlit. And here I have added a sample of the data. As you can see here, Streamlit write data frame dot head. That's why we have only a head of this data here. As you can see, this is a head of our data, and of course you can download and maybe search and okay. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the and for maybe for the next lesson, I will try to show you how to deploy this application. Let's see, into the Streamlit, and anyone can use this to run, let's see, or interact with this. And by the way, now I'm running the XGBoost, not the XGBoost. I'm running now the application, and the good thing here is, let's see, just change something. Let's see in the title. This is the title. Where is the title here? Mm, the accurate, which is not accurate. Accurate model price app. And now it's already saved by in this. And if I just go to this, refresh, and you can see it's directly taking the changes here. So you don't need to kill this process and start from scratch. So it's just interactively, it will take whatever you change here, it will be reflected to the page. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and of course, if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.